I can't even be serious right now. What's up everyone, I'm Bill, I'm with Calimoto TV. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm laughing so hard because I had in my mind, I had what I wanted to do in this video. We're out here in the back roads of Dixon, in the Dixon farmlands at the Amazing Grace Ranch where Bogna has her horses. And I thought, oh, there's this back road. I want to go on there and shoot this video. And that decision was not a very good decision because the road has no gravel on it when you get to there. So the Dixon Farm Truck is absolutely trashed right now. I almost got stuck. I'm in four-wheel drive low, but I wanted to bring you guys and introduce you guys to our 1999 GMC K3500 Single Cab with the camper shell. This is the truck. 6.5 liter diesel engine, single turbo, and we've got this thing running absolutely mint. So the reason why we're bringing you guys here to introduce the GMC is because I need your guys' help. I've dumped a ton of money into this truck. I bought this truck about 4 years ago for $2,000, and I have a lot more than that. I've got so much in this truck, I just have to keep dumping money into it because I can't get rid of it. I love this thing. Red Label Automotive has done all the work on this thing, so I've got to give you guys a big shout out. Thank you guys so much for taking care of this headache, because I know it's a pain in the ass, but we all love this 6.5. So I'm gonna give you guys a walk around on this thing. But what I need to know is the truck. Oh, look at this thing. Let's take a look. The truck needs some exterior love. We've already got the tow mirrors on it, and we clearly need some new we clearly need some bigger tires on this thing. So do we lift this thing? Do we put 33s, 35s, 38s on this thing? But majorly, we've got to get a new grill. The grill is actually it's about to just fall off. So we've got to get a new grill. But that's prompted me, if I'm going to start replacing parts, now we've got to get headlights because I can't see anything with these headlights. So now we've got to replace the headlights, and then do we go ahead and move forward with the move front bumper? I'm thinking so. The body work. The body is straight as an arrow, except for down there and a couple other places. But of course the GMC primers coming through. I really love the look of the truck, but I want to, what do I want to do? Do I want to keep it looking this way? Bogna says, let's redo the whole thing. Let's get this thing looking choice. But what's your guys' opinion on this? Now in the back, we've got, we have applied for our Uber, but they've denied me a couple times. I'm not sure exactly why, but we've got our rear bumper, we've got our tow hitch, but we don't tow anything with this anymore. So look at how beautiful this is. Oh, I almost forgot. I know, you guys, this makes people mad in so many different ways. First, because it's my gas hole. Second, it's a diesel. It's not supposed to be a gas hole, but you know what? Red Label says it best. Black smoke matters, baby. So we got to get this thing smoking. So question, do we do a smokestack? I really like the thing on the old trucks, like the tractor flap on the exhaust. Do we put that on, stack it out the top? I don't know. But let's take a look in the engine, because the engine I've done a lot of work on. If you guys are 6.5 people, hopefully you guys will appreciate this. This is the 6.5 turbo diesel by GMC. They stopped making this in 2000. This is a 99. This was one of the very last years, single turbo. But let's go over what it's got. It's got the S&B filter already in it. It's got the Wicked wheel in the turbo. We have upgraded the glow plugs, I think, and we do have all of the fuel lift pump and injector pump has all been fixed and replaced. Obviously, we've got our little module relocation over here. Down below, we've got a 4-inch exhaust all the way out. We do have the crossover turbo pipe in there. So we've got, you know, and it is tuned by Heath Diesel. So big shout out to Heath. Heath, if you guys watch this, we'll tag them down below. If you guys have a 6.5, they are the 6.5 liter people, okay? So Heath, if you're watching, this has got to come back for another tune, because we had it on the tow tune, but we're going full tune now. So it's just an amazing truck. Here, let's just. So we're here, and so the Amazing Grace Ranch over here. I just absolutely love it. I can't get over the tires. Oh my God. So guys, this is the this is the 99 GMC K3500 with the 6.5 liter, the official introduction to the channel. So please comment down below. Tell me everything that I need to do to this truck that I haven't done. I do have some exhaust stuff that I'm going to tweak around, but really where I'm at, I'm on the exterior. But let me show you how sweet the interior is on this thing. All right, so sorry. So the interior is actually pretty clean. We have our sweet cover here, and this will probably stay. Bogna hates it. Our steering wheel is always crooked. 300. That's right, 300,000 miles this thing has. We've got our Edge, just a OBD programmer, but not too bad, huh, guys? Not too bad at all. Look at the sweet stereo system. So I'm actually even thinking about having Eddie do some work for me on the interior. I was actually thinking all of the trim pieces, how cool would that be to dip those in camo? So the Dixon Farm Truck, I absolutely love this thing, and we've got it running perfect, and we love it. So we want to do some more work here on the channel on the 6.5. So if you guys follow 6.5, please smash that subscribe button, and of course down below, please hit that like button. The like button is more important than you guys know. The algorithms have changed in YouTube, and those likes, those are big helps for us. And of course, hitting that subscribe button. But commenting down below, we respond to all of our comments. So if you've got some stuff that you want me to do to this 6.5, let me know in the comments below. But let's take a look around this truck, and let's just enjoy the love. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next video.